The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows what happened when persons went to a place where a plane crashed somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Now, according to news articles that I read about the incident where it is said that a plane crashed within the country of Jamaica, it is said that a plane crashed at a place that is known as Rocky Point, that is within the parish that is known as Clarendon, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. According to some news articles that I read about the incident, it is said that the incident happened on the 23rd of January, the year 2021. Now, viewers and subscribers, I did not get any confirmed information about anyone who got injured or anyone who had died because of the incident. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to put together and present to you these pieces of videos that shows what happened when persons went to a place where a plane crashed somewhere within the country of Jamaica. And after I present those pieces of videos to you, then I'm going to point out some things that have been said in a news article that I read about the incident. Alright? Now, before I present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Just drop a white sand beach to go well. I hit me a video right now. You know, long me watch you play in a circle. Yes, Joe, the seat here. Plane drop a white sand beach, baby. Look. Big hole of plane. Yes. Something go down. Home buckler. Or yourself, man. Down a white sand beach. Plane drop out of sky. You know what I mean? You gone to the coin, you gone to them. You gone to. Ma cookie them. Ma cookie them. Ma cookie them. Plane drop out of sky. Can you believe it? Down a white sand beach. Social media. You know? I'm on plane drop out of sky.
The ring ding. What's a flat screen TV? Fuck, I'll crash the dog, then crash, you know. John, what go on, so? Yo, easy yourself, let me feed that thing, dog, easy. Me out here. Come back, I walk on up in nice. Don't press no button in your before we did this. No press, hey, easy now, pilot ring ding, we here. Come back, I walk on, this good as I live up here now.
You see me people? You see me people? Big old something, look. You know, I see. Look funny, look funny. You know, I see me people. You see? Plane crash. In Jamaica, look funny. See all the light are being there. You see it? You see it? You see what I go on, people? Real life story. I overload, you know. Check it out, my people. Real life story, man. Plane crash, man. In Rocky Point. Real life story. Joking something.
Hey, take care of fight. Alright, so what kind of something you do, man?
This office tomorrow morning, we take it same way. So you talk about us inside that plane there. Real life story.
Hold on. Papa, sit with him. Let me go inside. Papa, sit with him. Let me go inside.
Joking something, man.
I'm joking something in our life. Thing this way, Rocky Point, right on the season, white sand beach. Seriously, you're inside that plane, this. Look, serious thing you talk about.
Plane crash.
Plane crash.
Everything. Look what I go on. Look what I go on, people.
How
Tell them what happened, my police officer.
They have everything, people.
What is the what is the boy? I don't know.
See what I go on, people. I don't have accident, real phone.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. Videos that shows what happened when persons were at a place where a plane crashed somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to point out a few things that had been written in a news article about the incident where it is said that a plane crashed at a place that is known as Rocky Point, that is within the parish that is known as Clarendon, that is within the country known as Jamaica. Alright? Now, even though I am going to read parts of this news article to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to please bear in mind that the things that I'm about to say to you might not be accurate as to how it had been written in the news article that is about the incident where it is said that a plane crashed somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now, there is a part of the news article that said before police and soldiers could reach the crash site, curious residents descended on the small plane. And here's another part of the news article that said the plane had been modified with most of the seats removed. You see it? You see it? Alright. There's a part of the news article that said investigations reveal that the plane appears to have been deregistered at a place that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Mexico. And there's another part of the news article that said head of the Clarendon Police, Senior Superintendent Glenn Ford Miller, said neither the pilot nor any passenger was found. Now, here's a part of the news article that I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to think about it a little bit. You see me? Just listen to the things that I'm about to say and think about it a little bit. You see it? Alright. President of the District Area Committee, Arthur Coleman, said while it is not the first time has heard of plane coming in and leaving the area, it is the first time the community has seen a crash. Viewers and subscribers, I read that part of the article to the best of my ability. You see what I'm saying to you? The has heard part, that's how I saw it, that's how I read it to you. You see me? Now, according to how I understand that part of the article, viewers and subscribers, I understand it in this way, you see? It's like that part of the article said the person who goes by the name of Coleman said that while it is not the first that him or maybe persons within the community have heard of airplanes coming in and out of that area, this is the first time the community has seen a crash. You see me? That's the understanding that I got from that part of the article. You understand? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I pointed out those parts of the article to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you might get an understanding about the incident that happened where it is said that a plane crashed within the parish of Clarendon, that is within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, with all of that said, I'm going to leave it right there. You can let me know what you think about the incident according to some of the things that I just told you and according to the videos that I just presented to you, see me? And you can also let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. You understand me? You can let me know what you think about those videos, alright? Alright, so I want to say big up and respect to each and every single one of you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah, big up and respect. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?